Okay, I got a new pair of skates. I ordered them from Derby Warehouse, and this is an unboxing of the Chaya Melrose Elite Purple Evil. So they come like this. I ordered them on December 1st, and they arrived today, December 4th. Now, let me see here. I'm doing this, it's the first time I've done an unboxing. And let me see how I can do this. All right, hang on here. Are we able to see? There we go. All right, let's get these puppies out. All right, here's your Chaya box. Can we see this? Yeah, we see that. All right, let's see here. Hopefully. Okay, let's see here. So they come with these soft bags. Oh my goodness, here we go. These are the skates. Chaya. I love my Chayas. Okay, let me pull that out. Skate one. Okay, and with Chaya, you always get the Chaya book. Yay! And it is a, oh yeah, those wheels are gonna definitely have to be loosened up. Okay, we'll do a review later. I just wanted to do an unboxing because I know no one on YouTube has done this. And there are no reviews on this particular skate. So I'll come back and do that. See you when I do. So the Chaya unboxing. Sorry, I'm doing this by myself. Of the purple. The Chaya Melrose Elite Purple Evil is what they call these. All right.